Hello everyone, this is the new host, and today's topic is about intelligent humanoid robots that simplify our daily lives. So while Tesla is making waves with its humanoid robot, the Agibot, capable of countless tasks, has entered the race with equally impressive and possibly even more competitive robots. In this video, I am going to show you the video explaining everything about Tesla robots versus Chinese robots. Please subscribe to the channel, and you can join the newsletter by clicking the link down in the description.
Shanghai, 3 a.m. Inside a massive factory, something extraordinary is unfolding. Hundreds of silhouettes move swiftly in the shadows, their motions fluid, precise, almost too perfect. That's because these workers aren't human. China is quietly building the largest army of humanoid robots ever seen. The most shocking part? They could be among us as soon as 2025. Behind the scenes of a Shanghai gigafactory, we've obtained astonishing footage proving we're on the brink of a robotic revolution. These robots move like humans, learn from their mistakes, and may soon replace millions of workers. What's even more fascinating is that they are so advanced, experts can hardly believe the footage is real. But wait until you see what they're capable of. In this video, you'll witness exclusive images from a secret factory in Shanghai. Discover why these robots will replace jobs faster than expected, and prepare for a demonstration that will make you question everything you thought you knew about robotics. Before showing you this incredible footage, let me explain why what's happening in China is about to change your life. Few people realize that in the heart of Shanghai, a company is rewriting history, AGI-Bot. But first, let me ask you this. What would you do if your next coworker wasn't human? AGI-Bot isn't just a robotics company. It's the spearhead of a revolution brewing in China. China aims to mass-produce humanoid robots by 2025, and recent footage from AGI-Bot shows just how rapidly the world is changing behind the scenes. Specializing in humanoid robots designed to work in homes and factories worldwide, AGI-Bot has accelerated its production pace to cement its leadership. The footage reveals their assembly line, where robots are meticulously tested to ensure components and actuators function flawlessly. The scale of production is staggering. What's even more intriguing is that some robots are already assisting in the manufacturing process, creating a self-sustaining production loop. With each iteration, efficiency improves. Robots building more robots in a compounding cycle. Imagine a factory where machines build their own kind. Let me take you into the most secretive part of the factory, the testing center. Here, robots are pushed to their limits to handle various environments. They aren't confined to labs. They must endure real-world challenges, extreme heat, freezing cold, and harsh conditions without error. And here's something that might surprise you. Not all robots are humanoid. Take a look at the A2D model in the main assembly area. With wheels instead of legs, it highlights the diversity of applications for these machines. From humanoids to wheeled models, these robots are set to revolutionize multiple industries. In the final testing zone, robots perform tasks that look like scenes from a sci-fi movie. But this is no fantasy. It's a demonstration from a real company advancing what's technologically possible. Footage shows the vast scale of production and highlights how these robots collect massive amounts of data. Using both real-world and synthetic data, they refine their precision and capabilities to adapt to any situation. This efficient AI platform could scale production into the millions, making humanoid robots as common as smartphones by 2025. While AGI-Bot leads the charge, other Chinese companies like Zhang Robot are also innovating. A subsidiary of an electric vehicle manufacturer, Zhang Robot focuses on intelligent bionics. Founded in 2016 and based in Shenzhen, Zhang Robot has demonstrated technologies so advanced that many initially thought they were special effects. Multiple demos have since proven these robots are real, performing complex tasks with human-like dexterity. They grasp, analyze, and collaborate seamlessly, showcasing their potential in factories and other industries. With billions of yuan invested and backing from giants like BYD and Huawei, humanoid robots are gaining serious momentum. While scientific challenges remain, rapid advancements suggest that a fully robotic future may be closer than we think. As these robots integrate further into our lives, they're set to revolutionize economies and industries. Fully automated factories run entirely by robots could become standard by 2030. China is well positioned to dominate this transformation, with efforts accelerating each year. What do you think about a future filled with humanoid robots? Are we prepared for this shift? Thank you for watching this video. Check out the links in the description for more insights and resources on AI and robotics.